Busy morning already. Got the kids. We were a little late. Got them to school. I'm putting gas in Lacey's van. She's actually off from work today. She's got a haircut that she's going to as soon as I get back. This weekend, there is something called Touch a Truck, I think it is. They get all the fire trucks and dump trucks and service vehicles, and they bring them out to the park. And we're going to take Sadie to that. Of course, Sophia's got dance, so we went, I think it was a year or two ago, we went to Touch a Truck, and Sadie did not like it. It was too loud. So, but there was a car show and stuff like that. So definitely going to that. Definitely going to have fun. Not sure what else we've got planned. Maybe wine and hens. I don't know. So hitting the ground running. Let's get started. Okay. Back from getting gas. Lacey's about to leave. And I guess I'll start folding some clothes. Doing some dishes. Got to eat first. Pretty hungry. Don't get a mullet. Oh, man. Taking a break from laundry. I am on my way to the store to get some tomatoes and peppers. I'm gonna make some salsa. Homemade salsa. My head is absolutely pounding. Shoulders are tight. I'm in pain. Maybe some salsa will help. Oh, sweet. Oh, there it is. So it's been a hot minute. Folding some clothes. I made the salsa, doing some dishes. Actually, I haven't started the dishes yet. I'm nursing a bad migraine. I might try to grab a snack and take something. Hopefully that helps. And finish up these clothes. So that's what's going on right. Meow. Lacey is with Michelle. And hopefully she'll be home soon. And hopefully she brings me a Happy Meal. I know I don't like McDonald's, but they're doing the buckets again. We got 2 new ones. And there's 4 this year. So last year it was this green one, this white one, and the orange one. And we got this green one here and the purple one this year. There's another white one and another orange one that we're hopefully going to get really soon. And it will complete the collection this year. I guess they're going to do this annually. That's pretty awesome. We're going to have a bunch of these buckets. Lacey, it's like it's a nostalgic thing for her. I don't remember ever having the buckets growing up, but I love it. I think it's cool. I think it's a cute little decoration, and hopefully we can get the other 2 really soon. Halloween's just around the corner. Well, Lacey was supposed to stop at the McDonald's to try to get the other bucket, but other 2 buckets actually. But she's still running errands with Michelle, so looks like that's what I'm doing. Let's hope that they have the The white and the orange one's available. Don't need purple, don't need green. Let's see what they got. That is what I'm talking about. They did not have the orange ones, just the white ones, but I got a white one. Orange one is the last one that we need to get. I mean, what a couple of nerds we are. Ugh. Well, Lacey has sent me on a mission to find the orange one. There is one other McDonald's that is near here. Heading that way now. I've got to drop off Sadie's tablet anyway. She sat on it, broke it. So I'm going to take it to the repair shop, which is down the road. So, killing two birds with one stone. Appears that they're doing only the purple ones today, and they don't know when they're going to get the orange ones. So I can't think of another McDonald's around here. It's just the one here and the one at home. So. Sadie.
I want something to eat. I did not even eat my.
What do you want to eat?
I want. Oh. I'm turning my air up. I do not like Johnny. So don't mind me. Bella's in her case, ready to go to touch the truck.
You ready to go touch a truck?
Yeah. With Bella, my dog. She's in her.
We're waiting on Sophia.
See, y'all want to see Bella? She's in Bella, the dog. I'm going to let her out when we get there. Probably in the bin because she probably can't breathe. That's good because y'all want to see her? Look. Look how cute she is. I just love her so cute and I love her dog.
That's right.
What's my dog?
Lacey, you ready to go touch a truck?
Yeah, I need sunglasses though.
There's some right there. Are you ready to touch a truck? Hmm?
I guess.
Are y'all ready?
Yeah. Love it.
Bye, Bella.
It'll be fun.
The doggy in the car. My dog.
You ready?
Yes, City Hell.
Go. There you go. All right, look over here. Say, I want to get a picture with you. Go.
Turn around, Birdie.
Oh, everybody get, yeah.
Hop on up.
Oh, no, it's so cool.
You got it?
I wanna press the horn. Press it, Sadie.
Don't pull on the steering.
Sorry. Still waiting on Monica to drop Cass off.
So Victoria is, as usual, late. So we're going to feed these crazy kids. Where are we going?
Can I see Grandma's?
McDonald's.
I think I know where we're going.
Can I see Grandma's?
I think I know where we're going. We're gonna go get that last poo bucket. How you doing, man? Good. Hands the tire. Sadie.
What is it that you need for next week?
I said hi to a stranger.
Where? Oh my gosh, I see it. It's a robot dog. See it? Under the cover?
Oh, yeah. Under that blue tent over there, there's a robot dog.
right into my leg. Sadie and Solomon, the first two up. Look over here and smile. Sadie. You're not smiling. Yeah. Concrete.
Oh, concrete.
That's a concrete pumper.
She kept pointing over there. I said, we'll go over there a little bit. She goes, "Bit."
Hey, Sadie.
Sadie.
Good. It's not the same, but yeah.
I'm a big Cowboys fan.
Sadie, you see that cable? On this, look, on the top. Pull it. Pull it. I don't think there's a cable on this one. All right, perfect. Hot. Are you hot? Sweating? Mildly hot? No, it's hot. He'd have kept going, he'd have hit this Kubota. Normally I would have a problem with them running in the parking lot, but I think we're all right. Wonder if I should ask this guy where my Amazon package is.
Let's go.
Huh? I said I wonder if I should ask him where my Amazon package is.
It's like Sadie would have torn this place down by now.
Can you go inside?
Ooh, it stinks in here.
Can I get a free water? Yeah. You gotta go stand in line though. She had it all the way up around her neck.
So Sophia.
What's this one? Is this all?
Generate by turning the crank or turning it over, it generates electricity. Turn the light on. Wire, circle the light to the bell.
I love science. I think I'm too long for this. Okay.
They're running.
Wait for us before you go inside. Wait.
I've been keeping these tools nice and sharp, just in case the farmer's spirit returns this year. I think he will be very pleased with how I've been running things. And I'm sure he'll be thrilled to see you.
In here.
Look, step on that one. Oh, that's just a blow up.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
What do you think?
The moves are crazy.
Hmm?
No, I don't want it.
Well, too bad we already bought it.
No!
Mom, I need this for my
I really want this.
my favorite. Can I please put it, Mom? No, you can pick one. Wait, do not pull on this.
I know.
We need to get this for me.
What, Mama?
This is what I want our tree to look like.
It does look like that.
I need this.
Where are we going?
Purple.
And why are we going there?
Cook up her and carol. Higher customer.
Look at this mini deodorant.
Just put it away. Or I mean, go pay for it. We'll be in the van. How many times do we have to have this debate? Huh? Thanksgiving is a holiday.
It's a meal.
It's not a meal.
Thanksgiving is a holiday. It's a meal.
It's a holiday. You get
It's a
4 days
meal.
off.
It's a meal than Christmas.
You get 4 days off.
Yeah, Friday.
There's football.
No.
There's turkey.
Uh-huh.
There's a big meal.
There's football.
It's a
Macy's Day Parade.
Macy's Day Parade.
Yes.
They don't call it Macy's Meal Parade. They call it Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Yes, Thanksgiving is just a meal because you know what the big show is at the end of the parade is Santa. It's the kickoff to the Christmas season. So you eat a meal, then you go shopping for Christmas. So it's literally just a meal.
I do love Christmas.
this here.
That's no good, huh?
No. What? That's good.
I know we just left, but we gotta go get some cleaner.
Can we stop at the store the way home again?
Well, we have to go to the store to get the cleaner, so.
Oh, I want something to eat from there.
No, you had something to eat.
No.
You ate at Evie's party.
Yeah, but I did not eat that much. Okay. Eat the charger.
It's been a hot minute. Sadie's room was atrocious. And it is finally done. Now I'm off to the store to get some wine for Lacey because she cleaned the studio today and she's exhausted. And she's cooking dinner right now. So she said, would you get me some wine? I said, I'll go get it. That's what's going on right now.